बार लगाने तो 5 ईयर टाइम चाहिए कॉफी आने के लिए। बाद में साल में एक ही बार कॉफी ग्रो होता है। कॉफी से ना इस तरह से एक फूल आता है, बाद में ऐसे कॉफी बेनिस आता है। अभी ग्रीन है ना, बाद में रेड हो जाता है। रेड आने के बाद इसका हार्वेस्टिंग स्टार्ट होता है।
अच्छा।
बाद में सारा बीन्स हैंड प्लग करते हैं।
ओके।
बाद में 15 डेज सन ड्राई करते हैं। सन ड्राई होने के बाद सारा बीन्स पल्पिंग करते हैं, इसका स्किन बीन्स सेपरेट करते हैं। बाद में एक बीन्स मिलता है ग्रीन कॉफी, वो ग्रीन कॉफी रोस्ट करके पाउडर बना सकते हैं, वो फिल्टर कॉफी। आप लोग कौन सा कॉफी यूज करते हैं मैडम?
इंस्टेंट कॉफी,
ब्रांड ब्रू, नेस्कैफे, लेविस्टा, सारा कॉफी आपको मिलता है ना। सारा कॉफी का लेबल एक बार ऑब्जर्व कर दो, वो ओनली 70% रोबस्टा कॉफी ऐड करते हैं एंड 30% चिकोरी ऐड करते हैं। चिकोरी मीन्स एक प्लांट का रूट है सर, वो गुजरात एंड राजस्थान स्टेट में ग्रो करते हैं। वो मेनली कॉफी का क्वांटिटी इंक्रीज करने के लिए कॉफी से ऐड करते हैं। हाँ, चिकोरी का प्राइस है ना पर केजी के लिए 30 रुपीज एंड कॉफी का प्राइस है ना पर केजी के लिए 1800 रुपीज। कितना डालते हैं उतना कॉफी का क्वांटिटी भी ज्यादा आता है, कॉफी का प्राइस भी कम होता है। ब्रू नेस्कैफे कॉफी ओपन में 5 मिनट रख दो, पूरा जम जाता है ना। क्यों है ना, उसमें चिकोरी ज्यादा ऐड करते हैं। आप ओरिजिनल कॉफी एक दिन ओपन में रखो, 2 दिन रखो, कुछ नहीं होता एंड एक्सपायरी भी नहीं होता। क्या ओरिजिनल स्टारबक्स, डेविडॉफ एंड कैफे कॉफी है।
That's why they sell expensive.
Coffee 1800 रुपए पर किलो।
You have seen the red colored coffee beans in the plant, right? Those beans are collected and put the sun dry. So if you collect 1 ton and if you keep it for sun dry, after 10 days it will become the big molecules.
1 ton to 200.
80% of the coffee will be evaporated through the water. Water will go up and it shrinks. So this kind of coffee, big mill coffee will become shrink in. So then it will go for the pulper machine and outer core will be removed out. Then we are getting the green beans like this. So these green beans will be the medicinal part for the people who are suffering from overweight, belly issues or tummy issues and diabetes. So these kind of people, it will be the medicine. However, since this green powder will be crushed like this. So these are the crushed powder of green coffee. Half spoon. So half spoon of this. Hold it. So from this half spoon is sufficient. You need to take 1 glass of water. You need to boil it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then you can have in the morning in empty stomach. Okay. Don't throw the seeds which you already boiled. You can reuse it in the same way 2 more times. So that will be more effective. And the thing is, like, after 5 minutes after having this coffee in the morning in empty stomach after brushing, you need to wait just for 5 minutes. Then you can have your regular stuff like green tea or coffee, chai, जो भी आप normally पीते हो, you can take it. Nasta, I mean to say breakfast, whatever you can take. The same thing, second time and third time you can take along with the food. So when you are taking the green coffee, it's completely 6 times faster than green tea. If a person is going to reduce in 1-6 years, then green coffee will make you in 1 year. There's a difference. You can make Google right now and check it out. This directly affects on the adipose tissue where fats will form. Where fats will form, it will attack there, and there is no restrictions on the food as well. You can consume anything, whatever the things you want. There is no diet to maintain. So then these green coffee beans we are taking at a time here 30. So 30 kilos we are taking inside of it. The roasting will be taking place along with the fire. Okay. Or the temperature will be set at 120 degrees C. So if you are going to roast it for light, I mean to say half an hour, it will be like 1.2 to 1.4% of caffeine will come out. Light roasted. Medium if you want, 1.4 to 1.6% of caffeine will come out. Dark roasted in the sense 1.6 to 1.8% will come out. As per the timings, the caffeine will come out. Got it? Light, medium and dark. And if you wait more than 1 hour, then it will become charcoal. Nothing else. Then after that, you will open up this bean and the coffee bean will come and fall here. This makes coffee cooling. Now you can see the smoke is going out, it's getting ready. And this is the way to check how much coffee got roasted. Then you see it's still getting ready. It's still in the coffee was green only. Still greenish color. Then afterwards, we'll take the cooling coffee and putting over here and make the powder. Closer. if I take from your nose only, it's you are getting sneezed. No need to take like this. Yeah, please pass it out. Take. This is the pure Arabica coffee which we can directly have. And if you make this filter coffee directly, if you put into milk also, milk won't be spoiling. Because of chicory only, milk will spoil. Whenever you put filter coffee into milk, milk will spoil. Have you seen it? That is not because of the coffee, that because of chicory content they are adding into it. So no need to add any kind of chicory into the Arabica coffee. What is chicory? You want to see? This is what the chicory. It's an root crop. This is the chicory plant or root plant fracture. Plant's root. This will form like this. It's already see, ma'am, can you? So just have a look into the color difference, please. This is the original coffee color and the chicory color. And no need to add into any Arabica coffee any kind of chicory. No need to add at all. So this is the original color?
Original color.
This is the original color. I'll show you the Robusta coffee. Now this is Arabica. But there's nothing like that. This is the pure Arabica coffee. This is Robusta coffee. That makes mind actually. So we don't mix Arabica. No need to mix now. So the thing is like this is in case of Robusta coffee, 90. I mean to say if it is 1 kg we are taking 900 grams Robusta coffee, 100 grams Robusta chicory should be added. Then only it's a proper ratio, or else you can't have the coffee. Highly bitter in taste. What is the caffeine content? Double than the Arabica coffee in Robusta. So you can't directly have it. That is the reason they are adding chicory to make it lesser bitter as well as mild. No other reason. And in this kind of coffee, if you put into directly milk will spoil. It will break. But whenever you are going to boil it, then you can add the milk. Queen of coffee. Just
gold one.
let me check. Let me show you. Wait. Take one bean and keep it in your tongue. Don't press your tongue. It melts immediately without your knowledge. Even this coffee, even you are not getting in Starbucks, David of Columbia or CC. What you people have taken already, tasted it. This coffee will be 4 times more delicious than all. This is pure Arabica where the seaweed cat. Have you heard about coffee Luwak? A1 coffee.
This is Robusta or Arabica? What is it? Robusta?
A1 Arabica, not Robusta. Arabica coffee. This is a pure Arabica coffee. जैसे आप अभी ऊपर पिए थे उसका 1 स्पून लेने की जगह you can use only half spoon. And taste इसका 4 गुना बेहतर होता है वो.
What is the difference?
This is A4 bean, that is A1 bean.
Type of bean is the difference.
Top bean, single berry will be. Only one bean will be taken.
Coffee powder.
595.
This is green coffee. Those who are issues and other than that, here no coffee will get the reasons.
ये लोगे मम्मी? ये शहतूत अच्छा ये लाल लोगे.
Watermelon.